It's an amazing time to be in the crypto market, and I hope every single one of you are having some profits. If not, remember, all you got to do is get involved and make sure that you're in the right things. Right now, the crypto market is popping off. I mean, if we look at the last month, you can see Rune is up 89%, Neo is up 90%, Cake 92%, Elrond 82%, Pepe 58%, Polkadot, Matic, Opulus, Chainlink, Trust Wallet token. I mean, everything is pretty much flying. Even the list of tokens that I gave to you guys last week, most of those tokens are also in profit. There isn't anything pretty much which is half decent that is out on the market which isn't in decent profit right now. Tokens like Nakamoto Games popping off, tokens like Myria Games popping off, and a few of the other tokens, even from the last market cycle, also doing pretty well right now. If we look at the crypto market, you'll also see that there are a few things to be aware of when it comes to the price of Bitcoin. One of them being the bearish divergences. Now, if you take a look at the chart here, I know it looks messy, but I'm going to explain every little thing for you right now. There has been a few things which I've been keeping my eye on recently. One of them being the bearish divergences on the RSI when it comes to Bitcoin. However, I don't think it's going to be as bad as it was during March to July, September. For example, we can see that we had this bearish divergence, and for those of you guys that don't know what bearish divergence is, it is simply when the RSI starts to go down, and as you can see here, the price starts to go up. So between March and May, you can see the price of Bitcoin rose, and then what happened is the price of Bitcoin dropped. But if you look at hindsight, when you started to see that there was a bearish divergence on the RSI, you could have took a short trade here or started to take profit on some of your longs, which you maybe have took around here or even here. And you took profit on them, maybe put stop loss to entry, and then it would have saved you a bit of money, right? Because as you can see from the RSI going bearish, you can see there was a 18% drop. Okay, that's an explanation in simple terms. You can also see it again. Okay, we see the RSI start to come down, as you can see, and the price continue to go up, as you can see. And then from the resistance, boom, you see that the price went down, boom. Okay, now as you can see, this is happening again. Now, what does this mean for the price of Bitcoin? Well, a few things, right? First thing that I would like to show you is there is a formation called the free inside down. Now, this is one of the things that I like to trade. I learned this from Coach K. Again, shout out Coach K. And I like to trade this with the Ichimoku pattern. Now, a 3 inside down pattern is a bearish reversal. So the market first of all has to be bullish, loads of green candles. Then usually you see a green candle, which you can see here if I zoom in, followed by 2 red candles, as you can see from here, right? Loads of green, as you can see, maybe this one, loads of green, 3 candles all the way down. Okay. Now the interesting thing is this didn't confirm because the candle would need to close below the green candle. So this red candle here, okay, let me make it a bit more clear. This red candle here would need to close below, okay, this green candle, but it didn't. So I feel like there is a little bit more momentum left in the crypto market before we see a pullback. Now guys, I am not a crypto oracle. I'm not the crypto oracle. I'm not the crypto follow him, you're going to get really rich guy. I'm the businessman, which if you follow this channel for a while, you will know that we make money online. We invest the profits into the crypto market. It's very simple, which means that we are always prepared for any situation. If Bitcoin was to disappear tomorrow, it will be a sad time, but realistically, I would not care. If Bitcoin was to continue going, guess what? I'm going to make money. Okay, so either way, we are successful because we make money online through different side hustles, which you can learn by subscribing to this channel, and we invest the profits. Okay, so for you guys, this is a great time because it allows you to take advantage of the altcoin market. As you guys know, we are in the mid-cap season right now. And if you follow this YouTube channel, at the end of this video, I will put the list and the overall market strategy which we are following. And you guys will see that this is the mid-cap season. This is the best time to get the cheapest prices in mid-caps. For example, here's a most recent example of Chainlink. You can see that Chainlink was in an accumulation period for a whole 539 days. Now, during this time, Chainlink went through a period where we were literally in accumulation range. Now, I've had plenty of conversations with friends, and I've plenty of conversations with people inside of the crypto market. And if you invested at any period of these times, you are now in profit in Chainlink. So if you bought any Chainlink in the past year and a half, you would be in profit. And in my opinion, we're not coming back. Okay, that's just one of the examples. And if you look on the right, you see a huge list of examples of tokens which are going to do the exact same. And I'm going to break a few of them down for you. And I'm also going to give you my next tokens, which I think are going to do very well as well. But that's an explanation of that, right? If you hold in Chainlink, you take out your initial investment and a little bit of profit, you let it ride for the rest of the market cycle. Why? Because if BTC shows that bearish divergence and BTC turns around, I don't think we're going very low, right? What a lot of people are expecting is for us to break out and come all the way back down here. But in my opinion, I don't think that's an option. I think what happens this time round is if the bearish divergence plays out, BTC and a lot of the other altcoins will come down to a bull market support level. Here's where we turn the resistance, which we used to struggle to break, into support. Okay, for example, this level, or you could even say this level. Okay, not $4, okay, not $5, not $6. In my opinion, my humble opinion, I think 7.4, 8.5, or maybe 9.5. That's if the BTC divergence plays out. Okay. Another example, one of the tokens which I also talk about a lot is NEO. Now, NEO is having a similar thing. You can see here that from June all the way to November, which is over 584 days, NEO has been playing the same range which Chainlink was playing, right? It's a large range, it's about 50% range, which is massive, but in the altcoin space isn't really a lot considering things do 5, 10x, and NEO itself is also how far away from all-time high? From the bottom, we were still 19x away, so that's 19 times, meaning if you put 10 grand in here, you'd have 190 grand by the all-time high, right? Similar 1 grand, 19 grand, etc. Right? We're even still 10 times away from the all-time high. So even though it was a 50% range, you can see just by looking at the long-term chart on NEO that we tend to play these accumulation periods a lot, right? You can see in the last cycle, we played this accumulation range. We turned this range into support over here. And then we went on an absolute rocket over here, okay? Same thing again. We're back in this range of price. And then we've broken this range of price. In my humble opinion, I think that we turned this range into support again. In fact, let me go back to the weekly. Sorry, guys. Okay, in my humble opinion, I think we turned this range of support, range of resistance, back into support, and then we go on another rally. Okay, so this isn't the period of time where you can sit down on your bum, wait for the market to crash, and get back involved. This is the time where you should be like, oh my gosh, why have I not got enough Bitcoin? Why have I not got enough Ethereum? Why have I not got enough NEO, Polkadot, Elrond, Gala, Nakamoto Games, Myriad tokens? Why haven't I got enough of these? That's the questions that you need to be asking yourself right now, because there is no investment performing like this right now. Watches will not 10x, 20x, right? You can't even buy most of these watches at retail prices. Property will not 10x, 20x, not the average property, but the average crypto token will probably be 10x, 20x, just to the volume which is hitting the market, right? For example, NEO is your bog standard average crypto token. Currently, from the bottom, which was about December, we are already up 120%. The all-time high for NEO is 20x from the bottom, 22, right? 2,209. Now, no investment is doing that. None. Okay, so the whole entire crypto market is exactly the same. The list that I posted is exactly the same, right? They are all starting to leave this accumulation range. So you guys have had the warning for a while now, and I want this to be a reminder to you. Get involved and take action, right? Now, in terms of the gift that I have for you guys, I have a very special treat. Now I have moved away from Snapchat. I have created a Telegram channel, which I'll be putting in all of the different crypto tokens I'm investing into. I'll be putting in a little bit of TA here and there. I'm not a TA master, but I'll put a little bit in there. And I'll be putting in the different business moves that I am making. As you guys like to know, I am all about making money online from a business and invest in the profits. I just feel like that's just the best OP strategy that there is. And I feel like everybody should be doing that. So click the link in the description. You'll find out everything that you need to know, and I will be with you every step of the way. It's another amazing day, guys. Hopefully you guys have made some profit. Make sure that you do secure your profits. Don't sit on the bag forever and wait for it to go to the moon. Secure profits as fast as possible, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.